Come test drive the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, LED headlights, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, navigation system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.